Hey guys, today I'm gonna be telling you about the 5 rumors and specs that the Samsung Galaxy S8 will have. So the first rumor is that it was a rumor, but now it is confirmed that it won't have a dual camera lens, but it will have some sort of special feature, or a better lens rather than having two lenses. So, and the second rumor is that it will have a bezel-less display. So the standard Samsung Galaxy S8 will have a 5.7-inch OLED display, and the bigger model will have a 6.2-inch display. So the body of the phone won't be increasing, but only the screen will. So the screen to body ratio will increase. And the third rumor is that it is going to have a new fingerprint scan sensor and a new home key design. So it will be under the glass panel, and it won't be a physical button. The fourth rumor is that it is going to have a facial recognition just like the Note 7. And the fifth and final rumor is that it's most probably going to have a Snapdragon 835 chipset, so it will have no problem in defeating the iPhone 7. And those are the 5 rumors and specs of the Samsung Galaxy S8. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one.